Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make these colorful potions on Bloxburg. So these potions will turn you into a lot of different colors, I guess. So we're going to go to the candy station, and you do have to buy some stuff from here. So if you want to turn blue, select the chewy bubbles one, and you're just going to hop on over here. I'm just going to select use, and then I'm just going to drink it. Oh, actually it doesn't just turn you blue. I guess it's like different for every candy. I just realized that. Interact, and then I'll do Yum Gum. I don't know what color I will turn into because apparently it's random. I tested it out yesterday and I did not realize that. So you're just going to basically go around and you're going to get the chocolate, the candy bar and stuff like that, and it's just going to turn you into different colors. I'll just go back for one more round. You can just experiment with it. I think there's blue, green, like a pink, purpley color, like a magenta color, and like a dark purple. So just play around with it, and there's like this kind of like blue as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just get the candy and go to the potion mixing place. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.